Today, I'm here to talk about why it's important that you tell your estate planning attorney about all of your real estate that you own and all of the business interests that you own. Hi, I'm Alec at the Yanowitz Law Firm, and we've been assisting families for 29 years with wills, trusts, and probate. Now, you may think, okay, we have a Minnesota estate plan, so why is it important that we tell our attorney about our cabin that we own over in Wisconsin? Well, it matters, and the big reason is probate. So we've gone through the process. We've set everything up correctly for all of the property that you own in Minnesota, but you have this cabin in Wisconsin. Well, that cabin in Wisconsin can actually cause a probate to happen in Wisconsin if you don't let us know about it. Same thing as if we prepare your estate plan and down the road, if you purchase that cabin or if you purchase a condo, say in Florida, you need to make sure that you keep your attorney aware of the situation, because we need to make sure that there's an instruction on where that asset goes to following your death. If we don't, it's going to fall to your estate. And similarly, as in Minnesota, where a probate is required if the estate has over $75,000 worth of assets, or big thing is the or if there's any real estate interest in that estate. Even if the real estate interest is $5,000 or $10,000, something like a vacant lot that you may think is worth nothing, if any real estate interest is held in the estate, there has to be a probate. That's why it's very important to keep your attorney aware of what's going on and essentially with you if you purchase any real estate interest. Now, I mentioned the cabin, I mentioned the condo. Even if you're, say, a part owner, say you and some buddies buy a tract of land out west and you all buy it and you have a 10 or 20% ownership interest. If it's in your individual name, you still need to make sure that you speak with an attorney to make sure that you won't have a probate in that state as well. So it's very important that you keep your attorney aware of what's going on. Business interests, same things. Now, how that business interest passes following your death is going to depend on what is in the operating agreement, or if there's a member control agreement of that entity. So that's why it's very important that you tell your attorney, okay, I have a business interest in this entity and this entity, and that we're able to review those documents to make sure that we can convey your business interest to where you want it conveyed. So many times we've gotten these documents and realized, you can't convey this interest to your spouse. At your death, the entity has the right of first refusal to purchase your interest. Now, if that's what you want, that's fine. But a lot of times people don't realize what's in these documents that they may have signed 20, 30 years ago. So that's why it's very important to stay on top of these things and make sure that your attorney has copies of them and that everything is lined up for when you pass away. If you have any questions on these documents, again, very important. That's why you get them in front of an attorney. So I'd like to thank you for joining me today. If you're interested in learning more about how to convey your property or convey your real estate interests or business interests or anything of that nature, make sure you follow us on YouTube, so then you'll be notified when we post a new video. Thanks. Have a great day.